Now open the box.
What's cooking, everybody? It's your Uncle Porkchop here. We got a acquisition here, and I believe this is from a very dear friend of mine who sent me something I was not expecting, but his contact information is not on the label, so I imagine this was acquired through other means, whatever this is here. So we'll open her up, take a look, and let's see who we got here. Alright, here we go. Porkchop! Nailed it. Okay, I opened up the packaging and here it is. Okay. Ah! Sorry about that. Okay. No, actually, you sneak thief, you got me a PlayStation 5 Camera. So for when I'm doing the bare bones streams on my Twitch, could still see me here with one of these things here. So yeah, pretty slick looking, I must say. Looks like some of the circuitry is actually incorporated into this case here. So okay, so this opens up here, nice little hinge, so you can put it on top of your television or wherever you want it, and then there you go. Cool. All right, so we'll try this out and see how it goes. But anywho, I want to give a shout out to my bro there, JT O'Malley 9681. So thank you very much for hooking me up with this little bad boy here. I can't wait to try it out and see it in action. So follow me on Twitch. Link will be in the description. Catch you on the next one. All right, laters.
Happy birthday to you! I'm your pizza man. I'm your pizza man. Don't forget to call your favorite pizza man. $12.50, please.